Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TCU for Olympiads and JEE. Oh sorry, I forgot to rub the tag of 05 from my previous video. This is must be 06. This must be 06. Okay, one can easily identify this is 6. Now moving on, the 5 mark will remain, but the video is 061 is common sense. Okay, 06 means this is question number, what is it? Question number 16. Question number 16. Now, this is the question number 16. If the coefficients of 4 successive terms in the expansion of the 1 plus x whole to the power n be a1, a2, a3 and a4 respectively, so that a1 by a1 plus a2, a3 by a3 plus a4 is equals to 2 into a2 by a2 plus a3. Okay, now let's see how one can solve this question. I'm just first writing the first steps here. Let a1 be equals to ncr minus 1. Just letting this to be true. With this letting, we can write the other 3 terms as well, which will be ncr, then we will have ncr plus 1, and then we will have ncr plus 2. If this is ncr plus 1, then a4 is equals to, what should I write here, ncr plus 2. It seems to be very, no, we can understand it clearly, so I am removing this yellow ink. This thing is ncr plus 2. Okay, it can be understood now easily. Okay, with this we have to just prove LHS is equals to RHS. It's a very simple question. First of all, let us write a2 by a1. What will it be? A2 by a1 will be ncr by ncr minus 1. We have used this type of thing too many times in our previous video, so I am just writing now using a formula. This is a formula which we just used to so-called prove or just analyze how it came and use it, but now I am just, after so many questions, we can just use it as a formula. Now if we write a2 plus a1 by a1, if this is our thing, which is nothing but a2 by a1 plus 1, so we have to just add 1 to the RHS as well, which will come out to be n plus 1 by r. So r, this thing, this is I am writing here equals to r by, okay, here the yellow color suits much better. Here it must be r, okay, r by n plus 1. Now now green color again, once again. Now another time we can, okay, no need of, just one can do the same process and find this term as well, which will come out to be, I am just telling you, since I am just telling you, which will come out to be r plus 2 by n plus 1. One needs just to a3 by a4 this time, and then again plus 1, then again add 1, and we will get this r plus 2 by n plus 1. This will be got by anyone, and this will again be equals to r plus 1 by n plus 1. This is I am not solving, leaving up to you to solve, and comment me below that yes, you are able to solve. If you are not, please ask me how you solved and where you have gone, means where you have stuck yourself, in the comment box. Okay, now just adding these two, we will have, if we add these two things, we will have, I am writing here, okay, I have to use green ink now. If I add this, we will have 2r plus 2 by n plus 1 which is nothing but 2 multiplied by r plus 1 by n plus 1, which is our RHS. So hence proved. Which is our RHS, hence proved. I have done this question. Moving on to our next question, question number 17. Question 17 and the second question of this video. Okay, let me use yellow ink once again. This here yellow ink will suit well. Question 17. Now, let's see. We have to find the fifth term from the end. Find the fifth term from the end. See, there are 10 terms. 10 terms, so I can write 10 dashes here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terms are there. Fifth term from the end means 4 terms are left. Now this term is our finding, which is from the beginning. If we say this is 6th term, this is 6th term. This is the only analogy we need to use. I am rubbing this part. It seems very nothing important. It is just a concept which one needs to know to solve the question. 6th term. So 6th term finding is too easy for us now. We have solved 15 questions already, 16 questions already. This is the 17th question. We must be experts in just finding the any number of terms now. So x cube by 2 multiplied by whole to the power 4. Now 2 by x cube whole to the power 5, and there will be a minus sign before. So since there is a minus before, answer will be B. I can 100% say, because none of this is not so common answer in any question. Maybe none of this can also be, so then we have to rub this B and then write D. Okay, let's see if our assumption is correct or not. Minus 9C5. 9 into 7 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 24. Okay, divided by 24. Then 8 into 6 is 48. Cancelling that with 24, we will have 2. So 9 into 7 into 2, which is 126. This is how one must solve questions at this point of time, because means calculation takes up much time, and this type of thinking may reduce time in calculation without using pen paper. So this by x to the power 15. So we got option B as our answer. As I can just see, this is 252. There will be x to the power 3 remaining in the denominator, then multiplied by x cube. This is our not multiplied by x to the power minus 3 or divided by x cube. Anyways, after all, as question is done, option B is correct. Moving on to our question number 18 and the last question of today. This is a good one. If n is a positive integer, find the coefficient of x to the power minus 1 in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n multiplied by 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power n. Okay, now let's see how one may approach this question. I am just writing question number 18. As of now, you may pause the video and try the question. Okay, I am just moving on to a solution right now. Let's see how I am approaching this question. This thing can be written as this part. I am just talking about this part. In our previous video, we had this type of question where we just wrote, we divided it into 3 terms, but here we can't do the same. So we have to think of some other process. This is I am using this process. One may use some other process as well. So I can write this as this expression as 1 plus x whole to the power 2n divided by x to the power n. So we need to find coefficient of x to the power minus 1 in this expression now. From this expression we need to find a coefficient of x to the power minus 1, from where we can again write coefficient of what can it be? From this part we can just write coefficient of n minus 1, x to the power n minus 1, coefficient of x to the power n minus 1 in this. This is the part one may find tricky. Coefficient of x to the power n minus 1 if we find there, and if we divide that by x to the power n, we will have x to the power minus 1, which is our required thing. And now nothing to be done. 2n c n minus 1 is our answer. One can just write this as 2n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial, and also n plus 1 factorial, I guess. Yeah, n plus 1 factorial. This is our answer. Okay, we have solved our 3 questions for today. Wait, that thing cut. Yeah, we have solved 3 questions of today. This was our answer. Moving on with a note of thanks, where I thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you very much once again. Thank you. I am ending the video. Wait a minute. Okay. Thank you.